Using demo accounts and looking back at old charts have traditionally been ways of testing and practicing trading and analysis techniques. However, it takes a lot of time to accumulate practice with demo accounts. Also, looking back at old charts is biased and less realistic given the benefit of hindsight. Using software for backtesting can retain the benefits of these methods while saving time and even money by conducting simulations based on past market data. In collaboration with Forex Tester, a Sencor will now demonstrate how this kind of software can efficiently test strategies in real time with historic data, thereby drastically reducing the need to wait a long time for scenarios to play out. With this platform, it is possible to pause, rewind, and fast-forward simulations. Control how fast time passes in various time frames to view real-time changes on a chart at your own pace. Watch, stop, analyze, resume, and immediately see the results of your analysis. For example, you could see how effective you are at identifying trend lines and marking support and resistance areas. Let's try this on a stock chart. Despite the name Forex Tester, it is possible to run simulations on other charts, like stocks and commodity futures, not just Forex and cryptocurrencies. Test and see how good your results are dozens or even hundreds of times, and immediately see the effects of the results on the simulated balance. Certainly more efficient than a normal demo account. You can also select from a well-organized list of indicators to apply and test even more strategies. There is even the possibility of doing manual and automatic testing, along with testing an AI-based strategy optimizer. As you may have already noticed, a simple yet big advantage is the ease of use Forex Tester provides, due to the clean yet practical way the interface is designed. It is quite easy to get started, especially with interactive tutorials integrated directly into the software. You can use the link provided below to see for yourself. Forex Tester simply does what it was designed to do, and it does it quite well. It also continues to get regular updates, and submitting feedback is quick and easy. Try Forex Tester for free using the link below.